Keep your code dry is the worst advice I can imagine giving a new programmer. On the surface, don't repeat yourself makes a ton of sense, and to some extent it does, but it's 100% not a principle you should defend religiously. Hi, I'm Chris, and this is Cold Tub Tech. I'm a developer with post-concussion issues, and the Cold Tub helps a ton. So here we are. All right, let's keep this rant going. And the duck says we're at 52 or 11 degrees Celsius. So, focusing on dry code for every little thing very quickly leads to a large number of abstractions. And abstraction isn't a terrible idea, but when you start working on a new feature or project, there are always a ton of unknown unknowns. And if you start writing abstractions to keep your code dry before you understand the whole shape of what you're building, then you'll end up with the wrong abstractions that are awkward to use and just contribute to the overall spaghetti factor of your code. On the other hand, if you have large pieces that you know from the outset should be abstracted, then it's still fine to split those out into their own classes, functions, or whatever else. But in general, I like to keep all the code to accomplish a task together in one place, even if I end up repeating myself a bit. I find this way better for people reading the code too. The more times you need to jump between functions, the larger the cognitive load of actually understanding what's going on is going to be. And even if you're repeating 10, 20 lines of code, the trade-off of having everything together is 100% worth it. So instead of don't repeat yourself, the better rule that I like to follow is don't repeat yourself more than 3 times. And if you need to repeat the same code 4 times, it's fairly safe to say that an abstraction is worthwhile. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe if you want more cold takes. And as always, keep breathing, keep building, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.